going on, guys? My name is JJ. Welcome to my channel. If you like girls and dogs and cars, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. This is my girlfriend, France. Hey. I look prettier today because I put some makeup on. I know I don't usually look this good, but figured why not? Special occasion, it's Rocky's birthday. Might as well paint my face. Let's paint the town.
I don't know, but it's recording.
Oh my God.
Okay, he's gonna back in there.
Oh, you're reverse. I don't have to push down or anything?
Wait, first the e-brake's up.
I know, I'm asking though.
Oh no. Whoa. Wow, are we gonna launch this thing right now?
I didn't realize how loud your car was. It's so annoying.
Alright, first. She's second guessing. There we go.
A lot better than me. I can't even do this. I did not know you like even sitting back there I could barely hear you guys. Like I had to like no, it's the worst.
Yeah.
I hate coming in this car. I love this car.
Alright, go again.
Glad you love it.
Round two. Okay. Just give it a little juice. Oh my God, no, you're not in a gear. Oh God, that was bad.
Well, at least you didn't bonk out or whatever it's called.
Bonk out?
At the same time. Oh, trust me.
That's the part, that's like telling her to do this. That's the problem.
And then I hope I don't have to go up to 4. Yeah, you won't. You won't. Wait, where do you want me to go? Oh, you're going to the driver. Oh, no.
Smell that clutch?
I'm never comfortable in this car. I get car sick. I don't never get car sick.
You get car sick?
Never. Only in this car.
Does it me? Put your foot all the way down on the clutch.
Which one's the
practice
clutch?
right now.
That one.
This one.
That one's super.
That's just a foot
That's
rest.
just a foot.
For what? Because you have to use both feet.
Yeah. In case you get like in neutral, you just want to relax that foot a little.
That's stick.
Oh look.
Someone else is learning how to just work in the middle of nowhere. He's peeing.
Oh, he sure is.
I'm gonna make sure I drive your car through it.
No. Oh my God.
You're right. I can't even make it that far. Are you kidding me? I'm gonna have an anxiety attack.
So, put your e-brake down.
I don't want to.
Put your foot on the brake. Put your foot on the brake and e-brake down.
Pull up and then down. Like click the button while you're pulling up.
Push the button down.
And then down.
That's step 1. So now you're in neutral. Take your foot on the gas.
Yeah, so now if I push the car, you roll.
Yeah.
It's sensitive.
It's real sensitive.
Like you.
Like,
Will I bonk out?
Not right now.
There's no bonkers. You're not going bonkers.
You won't.
Anyways, I don't want to do this.
Alright, go. No, oh my God.
I love it.
No, you're good.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Get me out of here.
Oh no.
Someone else come in to see. I put the e-brake on. Is it good?
Well, no,
Oh my God.
Just stay put.
Does he want me to move? Okay.
Alright, so we're gonna leave you here so that you have to go if a truck comes.
JJ, I swear that's so rude. Can you please go back where we were?
Let's go, real quick.
The camera's up there. They need to make the clutch bigger or something.
I'll talk to Subi. Right? You're in first gear now, so don't take your foot off the clutch. Do not.
No.
Last time I did that, she did it. I told her don't, and she goes, and we bogged. Okay, let me explain stopping though. Don't let go of the clutch because you're in first gear. Stop!
You said let go of the clutch.
Don't let go of the clutch.
Here.
Holy
Saying is like I let it off and then you're telling me to push the gas at the same time.
And that's not bad. What you did was not bad. He's just being dramatic.
I feel like maybe I left off the clutch too fast, but who knows? Because there's no cameras under there.
You want me to talk to Subi about the cameras
Yeah.
under your feet too? So you should go hit them both at the same time.
But the brakes are sensitive.
Oh, because do I have to
No, 'cause
put
yeah.
There's another truck coming, so let's make.
Bye. I don't want to play. JJ, are you ready?
He's ready.
Ooh, I was just pressing the gas and not even realizing it.
You're going!
No, she went back in the clutch. That's good, because you saved it. We
Yes.
would have stalled.
I'm on the clutch right now.
Yeah.
Should I be?
Yeah.
Because you're just rolling.
But you didn't stall. So now
Caught
you
it.
can pull back.
Because you were about to stall
now
and you hit the clutch, which
put
was
your
good.
foot, put your clutch all the way down,
It is.
and now go into neutral. So you can speed.
over this. Let's go over this.
I'm not sure if my foot ever left the clutch.
It's okay.
I did first gear, right?
Whatever.
Did I do anything?
Yeah, I looked you up.
You rocked us all the way over here.
JJ, what do you expect from me?
So let's try just letting off the clutch with no gas and let your car roll. Let the car roll. Like super slow. If you feel the car about to turn
Is that
on,
in
push it
first
back
gear?
in. Yeah, so put it in first gear.
Wait.
And then all you're gonna do is slowly let off the clutch. You're gonna slowly start going. And then if you want, push the clutch back in, just so you feel what it feels like for the car to go. So slowly, and I mean slowly, until you feel the car go. Without pushing gas, just let the clutch little by little, you see? Now push it back in if you want, push the clutch in, okay? So that's what it feels like when you start going.
Well, I wish it's what
so
it felt
now,
like.
once you
Can I
start
just
getting
drive
that
like
feel,
this?
give it that little
Can
bit
I
of
just
gas.
drive like this? Yeah,
You give a little gas as you
Give
Give it a little gas.
Give it a little gas now.
No, what do you mean?
Because look, you're doing it.
You're
But
doing
while
it.
my foot is on the clutch, I give it gas?
Yes.
But then, once you're going with the gas, you can get off the clutch completely. You don't need it anymore until you're gonna stop.
And then what? Do I put it in second gear?
You don't have to today.
I don't want to today. I'm like this speed, this go-kart speed. This Mickey Mouse fucking speed. Okay?
You're driving sick.
You're doing it.
You're doing it.
But I didn't do any
Give
of the
a
things
little gas. Give gas, like go, like accelerate a little bit. And then when you're done, push in the clutch and the brakes. There you go. You're
Look.
going. You're off the clutch, right? You're not on the clutch anymore.
Barely.
Yeah.
Like my
Perfect.
foot's still on it a
No,
little.
you're burning clutch then. You got to come off of it. Either you're on the clutch or you're not, because you're burning the
She's
clutch.
not on it.
I'm not on it.
She's
I'm
just
gonna go on
Hitch
it.
the clutch in and then the brakes if you want.
Go to neutral.
Oh,
Push
I'm
the
much better at
clutch.
braking than gassing.
Brake,
Neutral.
neutral.
Why was I not allowed to do that and then go into second gear?
Well, you have to because
You need a little.
you need speed.
You need speed.
I was gaining good speed.
That was like the wind pushing you.
So what I'm gonna do, my foot's off the brakes, I'm in neutral, right?
Yes.
I forgot everything I just did. I sort of blacked out.
Yeah.
So that's why I guess.
Oh, I'm not
See,
going
now you
that
don't
way.
need the clutch. Just give gas.
I am giving gas.
Yeah, that's all you need now. Now you can ride it first like this.
There's a
See,
car.
she needed
They're
us.
not coming. They're not coming.
She
Go,
needed
go.
us
They're not
to
coming.
stop nagging.
I'm on the gas, JJ.
Right. No. Right. Now turn left. You don't need clutch right now until you're either
I'm
gonna
not
stop
on the
or go
clutch.
second.
My
right.
foot's just sitting on it, but it's
Right.
not on it.
Like if it's not pushing good.
Why
you're
can't I
going.
just drive like this all the time?
Wow, you're doing it.
Now
But
what
you
if I
see
want
how
to?
you're reaching 20 and it feels weird?
I don't know what weird feels like in this car. It all feels like. So like if I want to go to
Don't go
second.
over the P.
Dude.
No! Ew!
Corona.
He's off.
This is fucking rocket science to me. Do you understand?
Put your foot on the clutch.
Clutch in.
Second. You did it!
And now I'm putting the clutch in and I'm braking because I don't want to go
And
anymore.
go to neutral.
And put it there you go.
Am I in neutral?
Yes.
Take it left or right. You did it, yay!
Yeah.
I'm gonna slip the clutch once I start moving. I'm gonna let it go. Away we go.
Away we go.
Alright guys, so we just got done teaching her how to drive stick and she did it. Good job.
Give her an A for effort.
Thank you for effort. So, how do you feel?
I still never want to do it again.
No?
Hard pass.
Next time, third gear. Then the road.
Yeah.
Oh, you
it's
guys.
easy. You got that part down.
Bye. I can
Um,
paint a picture. Do you want me to be an artist? I don't know. Cut that one out.
Oh yeah, so I promised her I'd take her to Cooper's Hawk if she learned, and she learned today.
If you look at the past video, he also had to bribe me with food, so don't break my heart.
That's the trend. Food.
And I just come along for the ride.
Yeah.
And the food.
Thank you so much for watching my videos. If you really enjoyed it, you should like, comment, subscribe. Add us both on Instagram because obviously we're the stars of the show. My Instagram is right here and hers is right there. Because
There you go.
you won't get mine. Yeah.
I'm not doing that.